is it important the Royal Flying Doctor comes to shows like this? Really, the basis is trust. The Royal Flying Doctor is a service which, as a healthcare provider and members of the public, really trust. And the Royal Flying Doctor is very interested in preventative medicine. Really, the opportunity to prevent diseases and prevent infections is something that we all want to benefit from. And the Royal Flying Doctor has that reach to be able to have conversations with the community and provide services and answer questions.
Exercise bike before that you've got to sit down and ride? Yeah. Do you want me to show you how to do it? Okay, put your feet in here. Okay, now what are you going to do? Yeah. You've got to ride. Are you ready? On your marks, get set, go! Ride, 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 ride. That's it. Oh, it's going pretty fast.
The Riders Reign program it's a lot more than just the show circuit. There was consultation beforehand with the community, so in this case the Georgetown community.
So tell me, why do you think it's important that the Royal Flying Doctors come to these rural shows?
To look after us old pensioners when we're travelling around Australia in our caravans. If something happens, there's someone there to help us.
Basically raising the conversation of men's health here on Flinders Island. Obviously it's a rural community, it's a fairly remote regional community, and those issues of men's health, of talking to people, physical health, mental health is kind of the conversation starter that we're up to here today.
So we've got some samples here today of cotton. It's very important with safe sex.
So tell me the most important thing about men's health.
Oh, you just got to get regular checkups with your health. Go see the doctor once a year, get some bloods taken for your prostate, get your urine tested for blood in there. Just make sure you're generally healthy.
I met a really interesting family that live locally and they're doing home education. So they've missed out on the HPV vaccine program at schools. It's really important that we really make sure all the girls and boys at that school age don't miss out on this cancer preventing vaccine. And that mum had a load of really important immunisation questions. She wanted to understand the relevance of that vaccine to her young daughter, and she's got a younger son. She wanted to learn about, is it just as important for her son? So the HPV vaccine is an amazing cancer preventing vaccine, and we really don't want to have people missing out on the opportunity to prevent that.
And so we think there's a bit of a lice problem in schools. So we're talking to people about how to comb their kids' hair, how to treat it, how to then re-treat it so that we don't get a continual infestation. No, don't. You're the second person that's told me that this morning. Putting Coke in the kids' hair to get rid of it.
And you let it dry, and then you wash it out, and apparently they fall out.
You hear lots of rumours. There's too many stories.
The more information, hopefully with free stuff as well, those people may treat their kids and make it easier.
Every year we are seeing outbreaks of whooping cough, for example, and that's something we should avoid. Every year we are seeing outbreaks of very severe influenza, and we have children who are just sick for weeks at a time. They can't go to school. Their parents have to take time off work, and that's entirely avoidable if kids are coming in for vaccination.
I think part of it is because the doctor is someone that they know and play golf with, and it's a personal thing, and if you have a doctor that you don't know or have to deal with all the time, to have those sort of invasive things done is a lot easier. Females, we have a female doctor come over who is not here all the time. We don't have to work with her or deal with her because we're both nurses. So it's no issue to go in and have your pap smear done or whatever with someone you're not seeing all the time because it's embarrassing.
I'm a first-year medical student, and I thought this would be a good learning opportunity for rural health and just getting to learn about the Flying Doctor service is really helpful.
Hi Deanne, what have you learnt today?
I've learned about mini exercise bikes today, and my son absolutely loves it, and I reckon we might get one for Christmas.
Well, the RFDS does wonderful things for people right across the country, but particularly here in Tasmania, so it's great to see them, a presence at one of our great country shows, raise awareness and support the fantastic work that the Royal Flying Doctor Service does.
Tasmania sponsors Riders Brain and the Royal Flying Doctor Service because you match our values. We are very proud to be associated with the Royal Flying Doctors.